So first things first.
Mm-hmm.
You want to steam your milk.
Yeah.
You fill this with water.
Just make sure there's water in there. Yeah. What's in here? Is there water? I can't see.
There's water.
Okay.
You have your milk pitcher. You fill it with milk.
Okay, wait. We have to do it on the personal.
Okay, so let's
just
pretend we have it. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah. What's the use of that one?
Okay, so this is the milk steam.
Okay, go get Abby. Get the milk.
No, I'm not doing the whole thing.
No, I want it.
To get dirty.
No, I want it. You eat. Drink it.
You want it right now? You're gonna be able to sleep.
It's okay. Don't worry about it. It's my problem. That's not yours. I'm just excited to get this done properly.
Fine.
Pour the milk.
How much?
Just pour a little bit.
Not too much though. I just wanna.
Pour it away. One more.
Not too much though. Okay, let's do it. Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm putting the espresso. Putting the espresso in here. Just
They took one of the thing here. They removed it. What is that?
The puck. Don't worry about it. So look, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep this on the side. I'm gonna wait for it. This is gonna go on the steam. We're gonna wait for it to go green.
I'm looking at YouTube and I can't find the right one. So it's like, oh my god, what do I do? So we're waiting for it to turn green. And why it's in here? What's this for?
Steam it.
Oh, to steam. Okay, so we're gonna steam it. Steam this, right? Okay, so that's the milk. Abby, you know how to use this? Yeah. Oh, Jalay, why is it dripping like that?
It's okay.
No, it's not okay. It's dripping.
Okay, so now it's ready to go. It's green. See?
Okay, yeah. So what's that mean when it's green?
It's just ready to go.
That means it's which one is hot? The milk?
One, the steamer.
Oh, the steamer.
So,
Okay.
you go ahead. Push back.
So that means that milk is gonna turn hot.
Yeah, you're looking for this sound. Ready? This sound.
Ah, explode last time when I used that. Oh, it looks good already. It's foamy. How do you know when it's ready?
It's hot.
Oh, you have to keep on going like this? It's not even hot properly. Okay, can you pour it on the TK? Yeah, it's hot.
Okay, it's done.
So that's done?
Done. You want to wipe it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Ooh.
So steam.
Why you have to do that?
Just to get the dustiness out. See, this is dirty. You gotta take this out.
Oh. Just rinse it? So this is foamy. I'm trying to get this.
Okay. Make sure you wipe it off.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's hot.
So now you're on this side. It's already green. So we put the thing in. Grab our espresso cup.
Yeah.
Pour.
Yeah, that one. The cup.
Okay. Oh wait. Get through my milk.
You have to do that?
Yeah.
Why? My God.
Want to swirl it? Want to swirl it?
Mm-hmm.
Just get grooving.
But why mine turned dark already?
Because you didn't pull a proper shot.
Oh.
This is pulling a proper shot. Should be good enough. Okay. Alright. Transfer. You go in.
Okay, and then when you put the vanilla. The vanilla.
You put the vanilla earlier.
Oh,
You
before?
Put it before? Yeah, put it before the espresso.
Well, there's no taste on that. I don't want that. Okay, but supposed to be in the beginning.
Yeah, you can put it in the cup before. Because when you pour the espresso. Yeah, so. Finish.
Okay, that's good. Thank you. So now we have espresso.
Just leave that there for now.
Why? Okay, can I try this? Yummy. Ah, it's the.
You don't want to forget to.
You have to clean it.
This up.
You have to clean that. That's garbage.
Yeah, knock it out.
It's compost. La, it's too hot. Okay, so I guess that's how you use it. I'm gonna keep on repeating it. So, and then this one is just to tap it like that. Good. Okay, thank you, Jale. Okay, say hi.
Hope you guys learned something.
Huh?
I said I hope you guys learned something.
Okay. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Let's take picture. Why are you putting it there?